here talking about the Karcher electrical steam washer. First, we're going to start with the personal protective equipment needed. Here we have Bronson wearing his proper rubber apron, rubber gloves with slight fabric background for style, and a face shield. Before starting, be sure to top up the diesel and occasionally check to see if the oil is at acceptable levels as well. Your hose is connected and that there are no kinks in the line. Power cord out of the way. Be sure to plug in the steam cleaner in between base
3
and 4. Ensure your burner temperature is in between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius. Before pressure washing, ensure you are in front of bays 1 and 2. Once all of these conditions have been met, you may turn on the machine, and it will activate the pump whenever required.
Make sure no one is in your work area before you start pressure washing.
When the part is done being pressure washed, then just disengage the main switch. Once the machine is off, then put the wand away properly as well as wrap up the hose. Turn off the water and unplug the machine. Be sure to wrap up the hose after you're finished. Be sure to wrap up the cord. Once finished, place just inside bay 4. Thank you for your time.
Have a fabulous day.